No, I'm traveling with my boyfriend.
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
You're looking so pretty, really beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. So you might be something like 25, 26, 25,
Close.
more or less like.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Courtney.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I've been fine. How about you?
Yeah, not bad. How was your day?
Well, it's going on as usual. I mean, just scheduled my plan and done something like those stuff which I have been doing. And yeah, that's the day. And how about you?
Today?
Yep, yep.
Yeah, I'm good. Just working today, nothing exciting.
All right. So, is there any other thing that you do? I mean, other than teaching?
No, I'm a teacher, basically, but now
Oh,
I am traveling, so I'm only on Cambly as like not full time, but it's the only job I have for now.
oh, okay. I get you. All right. That sounds cool.
Yeah,
So,
so I'm traveling the east of Europe at the moment.
okay. All right. So, I mean, are you traveling alone or something with someone? I mean, right now.
No, I'm traveling with my boyfriend, so we've been in
Aha.
Serbia for 3 weeks.
Okay. That's great, actually. That's great. All right.
Yeah, it's fun. So what about
Yep.
you? What do you do?
Well, I'm a student right now.
Student, what do you
Exactly.
study?
So, I'm just on the verge of completing my engineering.
Okay.
It's a Bachelor of Engineering. That's it. And
Okay.
like, I mean, teaching is also a side job. As a
Mm-hmm.
part-time, I've been teaching just to be a financially independent. Like that, you can take it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's
Yeah. So are you teaching like private students, like one-to-one individuals?
exactly one-to-one classes, or maybe
Ah,
batches as well. It depends. No, I'm not. This is not my full-time job because I'm making a big plan, and I won't talk about a big plan right now because many times I've already had conversation about this.
don't
Exactly.
worry. So your small plan is leading to the big plan.
Exactly. So this is something, it's a bread. What is called? It's a bread or butter and bread. What is? I don't remember that phrase.
Like bread
Okay.
and butter.
Yeah. Exactly. For the
They
time
go
being,
hand in
you can say
hand.
like that. Exactly. Definitely.
Yeah, that's fine. So would you ever go abroad, or do you want to continue living in India?
Not yet. But I'm looking forward to doing something creative. I mean something big, yeah. But just I mean for the Indians, it's kind of very. It's not a piece of cake to go abroad, because I mean especially our parents are from middle class family, and I can't afford it right now.
Yeah, it's a lot,
Ex-
especially for the visa and all the entry requirements, and it should so much.
Exactly. How about your adventure? I mean, how is it going on with your boyfriend? Like, are you enjoying the
Um,
trip?
yeah. So we actually lived in Spain for 3 months, or 3 years.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, not 3
Uh,
months, 3 years.
all right.
We lived there for 3 years, and then we left Spain like 3 weeks ago, and we came to Serbia, and we've been in Serbia for 3 weeks, and then next week we go to Bosnia.
Oh, amazing. All right. So who is sharing the cost? Something like it is the boyfriend that who is, paying all the bills and all the things?
Ah,
Because it's
no.
very considered. I'm so sorry to say this. Or it is someone, like you both are just splitting the bill and, kind of
Yeah,
maintain.
exactly. Yeah. Equality and everything.
Uh-huh. Amazing. All right. So would you mind if I ask something personal like about these things?
Okay, what do you want to know?
I'm asking like, okay, first of all, how old are you, miss?
How old am I? How old do you think I am?
Um, you're
Hmm.
looking so pretty, and really beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. So you might be something like 25, 26, 25,
Close.
more or less like something around.
24.
Aha, I got you. See,
Almost.
yep. All right. So that's very interesting. You are able to enjoy the life at this age, and it's something, it's a very privilege to have actually. Yes or no?
Yeah. I'm making the most of it for now.
And you
So
should
for the,
actually, you
the
should,
next two
because
years, I'll be making the most of it, going traveling.
uh
But
really.
yeah, it's been nice.
There's so many plans that I'm gonna do. Yeah, exactly. I love that. Traveling, as I said, that traveling is always adventurous, fascinating. You are exploring yourself to every different things. All right. So I
So
mean, mhm,
have you
so
visited outside of India before? Have you been abroad?
I
Do you
already
want to
said no.
go?
Exactly. Why not? I mean, there are so many places. Maldives, Bali, Indonesia is kind of famous. Thailand, and
Of
so
course.
many. I mean, Spain is Spain. All right, every place, is a kind of to-do list. But of course, before that, I wanna visit my own country, because till now I have never visited, some of the religious, spiritual places.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly, like some are there. So I just wanna
Okay.
first, visit those kind of places, and then definitely yes.
Yeah, domestic first and then international.
Yeah, I mean, right now it's just two four. I mean, it's kind of very tough right now to bear all those things at the same time, like career, your parents' pressures, your kind of studies, your tuitions. I mean, my tuitions is completely going with the online mode now. There is nothing problem with that.
Mm-hmm.
But still, it is something that I never thought. I haven't given a thought about it. That's it. I mean,
Yeah, yeah. It's it's you're still young, so you have plenty of time to make other plans.
exactly, Miss. So,
So
Miss,
how
I
old are
mean,
you?
22, just 22 actually.
Oh, okay. Only 22. And so how many more years of university do you have?
Just I'm about to complete this one. I mean,
Yeah.
on the final year.
Yeah, that's not bad. So what are
Yeah,
your
yeah.
plans for when you finish though? Are you
Oh,
gonna
well,
go to your big plan?
I'm gonna
And
ask
that's
you
it.
actually. I just want to ask you something. I mean, because I'm making some plan about you traveling and all these things. So just tell me. I mean, it is really. Are you enjoying these moments and everything?
Yeah, yeah. Traveling's fun. I went to a place yesterday that wasn't so fun, but the rest of it's been fine.
Okay. So are you making kind of videos or something like on YouTube or anything? Because
Uh,
it's very normal these days that people who are traveling, they make kind of blogging channel specifically, and they are creating so much money. I mean, chunk of money. So don't you ever give thought on that? Like, you should be doing that. It's kind of
yeah,
good
yeah.
thing.
I videos like of places I visited, but I haven't made a channel or anything yet. But maybe in the future, maybe I don't know. We'll see.
Uh-huh. So now, okay, yeah, I can understand. I mean, traveling can never become that much enjoyable when you just have to click the pics all the time. It becomes so disgusting and terrible. Yes or no?
Yeah,
But
yeah,
on the other hand, believe me, guys, I mean, believe me, miss, you're gonna be making so much money. I mean, people are so much interested to watch blogging channels specifically, and when it's a couple, especially boy, I mean, one boy and one girl.
mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
you
It's
can go for that.
many people here are. I think there's only like 3 people. Not actually, there's been more, but many Indian people have been coming here and making vlogs. Like when I
I mean,
searched
yeah,
for here,
exactly. Hmm.
they were coming up. A lot of Indian people
Vlogging
were
is
the most latest.
on India especially. I mean, all the people who are making the blogging channel, they are creating so much money. You won't believe, and that's the
Yeah,
reason I'm saying even you should give it a go. I mean, you should give it a
yeah. Why
shot.
not? Why not?
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't cost a lot actually. You just want a camera, or maybe you are having an iPhone. I mean, definitely even a mobile phone. That's not the big deal. You just have to start, and some days after days, once you are habituated of the things, it won't be the troublesome for you, and you will be able to make a very fascinating videos, and you can make
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I
monetize
have
it.
been taking some. I have been making some short videos, not like blog, but when I've been visiting
Reels.
somewhere, I've been videoing. So maybe I'll make like a long video, like a maybe.
And what's your boyfriend? By the way, what's your boyfriend?
What do you mean? What?
What's your boyfriend means? I mean, what he's doing for a living?
He's a teacher.
Uh-huh,
He's the same
really?
as me. Yeah.
Oh, same
Hi.
same page. That's amazing. Okay, so how did you meet him? I mean, in the teaching profession like that?
No, no, no.
Uh-huh.
We met in Scotland, and then we moved to Spain, and then yeah,
So he's from different country like
nothing.
that?
No, I'm from Scotland.
Uh, okay, or it is something serious relationship? Like, are you gonna be tying the notes in coming days? I mean, I love the way you are speaking. Why? Just you're very expressive. I mean,
Mhm.
you kind of a girl who is very extrovert means just express the feeling with a very honest way, and I appreciate it.
Oh, it's no problem
Yeah, yeah.
talking to you.
Oh,
Afternoon, and good luck with the big plan.